Yes, hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Check out this wig.
Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Let's go, girl. Jump into the flow, girl. Yes, go well. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Let's go. She said it's my party.
Look at her. Like, I did the color, I installed it. I'm happy with how it turned out. It could have been better as far as like the lace or how I installed it, but I could have plucked it a little more, put some concealer here, but I plan on selling this wig, so I wasn't trying to do anything. The back is still, I never cut the back of my lace. I don't know why, but anyways, you guys, I filmed it. It's not the greatest filming because I was in the shop and there was a lot going on, and I just filmed it on my phone, but it's super easy. So I'll talk you guys through it. Don't worry about it. I did film it, so don't even worry about it. But yeah, so if you like this look and you want to see how I got this two-toned effect, it makes me feel real girly. But I'm gonna quit talking about it and we can get right into the video. We're gonna do this kind of like a vlog style. I am going to go to my friend's shop to do this. I think I want to do it there. I'm just gonna go see if people allow me to do it there because it is quarantine right now. So I'll be filming there, you guys. I'm gonna try to start vlogging. But yeah. So of course, when I got to the shop, I couldn't really set up how I wanted to, and there's music playing, so I know I was gonna get copyrighted. So I just set up my phone like this, but this is the only way that I could set it up to see it without it falling like in the water. But anyways, so yes, I used the Adore, I believe it was the hot pink. I showed it, but I just parted the wig. Literally the frontal was parted out, and then the rest of the wefts that were sewed down were all together. So, but you can part it however you want it, but yeah, that's the easiest way. So that's how I did it, since it was already kind of like divided, you know, the frontal and then the regular wefts. I did not use the entire bottle, but I think I used majority of the bottle. It's completely up to you. I did not know what I was doing, so I know I didn't pour all of it in initially, but I do pour more of it and most of it out towards like the end of the process. You'll see. But yeah, make sure you comb out the hair. You're combing through it so the color can get all the way through. Yeah. So here, I guess I decided I wanted the ends darker, but watch what I do. So dumb. I don't know what I was doing, because I know that I run my fingers through the end to like, you know, get the ends darker, but not too much. I don't know what I was doing though, because I just dropped it into the water, which to me, I don't know, it just didn't make too much sense. But yeah, I mean, do this step. But yeah, I'm just rubbing it in because I wanted it to be darker. But yeah, that's an extra step that I did. I put the dye directly on it because I didn't know that I wanted to get a little more potent. So yeah. So for the top of the wig, I believe I used most of the bottle, if not all of it, because it's a lighter color, so I know that I wanted to use a lot of it. Um, but also I know that I did it, like I added another dose after I added the first one. I don't know why I did that. You shouldn't do that because you want to just add all your color and make sure it's mixed all the way through, just so it'll be all be one color. It won't be darker anywhere. You won't have any spots where the dye got on the hair, you know. So make sure all, yeah, make sure all the color goes through all of the hair. That's about it. Oh, and I sprayed the frontal with some Gatsby glue and blow dried it before I did all this. It works as a barrier, supposedly. Well, it did, not supposedly. But yeah, I just let it sit until it got the color that I want. And that's all I did. Literally, just, it isn't that hard. I just parted the color that I wanted dark and the color that I wanted, I mean, the part that I wanted dark and the part that I wanted light, and dipped it, let it sit for a minute, and boom, look at that pretty pink. Oof, that's so pretty. So yeah. So it was a lot going on at the shop, and I wasn't able to film how I wanted. I filmed on my phone though, but this is how it came out. It's a cotton candy pink at the top, and then it goes to the hot pink at the bottom. I'm actually digging how it came out. So I'm about to blow dry it and then style it, and then I'm gonna pluck it. So yeah. I'm nervous, you guys, because it's not plucked yet, and that can make or break stuff, so I'm just really nervous. I'm gonna pluck it though, so. Okay, so that wraps it up for the video. What do you guys think? Let me know. Do we like it? Do we hate it? Do we love it? I like pink. I think I'm gonna get into colors. I don't know what color I want to do next, but yes, this was super fun to do. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared to do it. Elva Hair Company, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, was super patient with me. I've had this wig for so long and I just didn't know what to do with it, but I'm so glad. Love how it came out. So yeah. Oh, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.